Welcome to tigertool.com. In this video, we'll talk about how to change this image or how to modify this image present in our Jira Cloud instance. Whenever you're working on any company and you want to update logo of the company in your internal Jira instance, you can easily do it. Even you can update this icon as well. So I will show you how we can modify the default logo present in our Jira instance in Cloud Jira. So if you wanted to learn Jira from scratch, you can refer my complete Jira playlist. Other than that, I've also created one course on Jira which will guide you through usage of Jira from scratch. The course name is Jira for Scrum Master and Project Manager. Don't worry, I will include the URL in description tab so that it will be easy for you to refer. And this is not only mean for Scrum Master and Project Manager. As a Jira user, you can also opt in this course, which will help you step by step how to use Jira in real life. Coming down to today's topic, let's understand how we can modify this icon and this icon when we are working our internal organizations. So sometimes companies are using this for internal branding. For this, you need to have admin permissions. Without that, won't be able to modify it. To modify it, simply navigate into the systems and from here, scroll down to use look and feel. When you will click on this, you will get this icon. We suggest the logo size of 368 into 56 height. If you have this size, you can modify it. Other than that, you can also update favicon. So favicon is this icon. If I wanted to add the favicon icon as Rai Gurukul, I will select my icon here and then upload favicon. Whenever I will upload this favicon, you can see this icon is updated successfully. Other than this, if you want to modify this icon, you can also modify it with the same logo which we have, but as per suggested size by Atlassian, you can use this format, otherwise this will not looks good. Here, both the icons are updated successfully. So what's the use of this? When we are working on any enterprise applications and they have the several partners or vendors who is working into their instance, and if they wanted to follow the internal branding, that time this modifications will be much more helpful. If you working on this type of organizations where you can modify logo, favicon icon, title, even you can keep your own specific title, and navigation's color. Here you can change the navigation color as well. If you want to change the look and feel of this color, you can also modify it like color code. If you're using, let me scroll it down to this, not this one, maybe green. I will update it and the color codes will be successfully updated. Whenever you will click any of those options, it will be highlighted with green rather than with blue. You can revert it all those informations which you have uploaded or which we have modified. Even reset to default for favicon icons. So by default, icons will be updated as well as logo. Here you can reset it or revert it back to our existing logo. Based on your requirement, if you want to modify it, you can do it. And once you are done or you want to revert it, just click on reset to default. The default icon and favicon as well as color will be updated successfully. So this is how you can update favicon, your company logo on Jira instance or Jira Cloud instance. That's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. If you have any queries or questions, feel free to add your questions in the comment sections. We'll definitely come up with the solutions. Apart of that, if you have any topic which you want to learn from me or which you want to learn from this channel which is not available, feel free to add the topic name. We'll definitely come up with that topic video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next video.